Quintina, find out who did this. It is Ukachi, the traitor! Ukachi, the traitor! How did she succeed in doing this? That is not the problem. Our beloved has failed his mission. He must be punished. Yes.
We are pleading before you, oh Father. Our children are suffering because of the trouble before them. Oh, the gods of our land, come to our rescue. Your children are suffering because of the enemy within. Do not give deaf ear. Do not be silent. Do not be silent, great Ikenga. Give us solution. Give us solution. We need solution.
Ukachi must not go free this time. Yes, she must pay for it.
Yes, she is a traitor. We must end her up this time. Yes, sister. She must die. Die!
How can we do that now? Because she must die.
Sisters, I think we must look for beloved assistant.
Shut up! I said shut up! Beloved is a failure. And you know, failures are not part of us. So forget him! Forget him.
They will humiliate them, suffer them. They may even kill them if nothing is done.
My sisters, are we just gonna sit down here, fold our hands, and watch our parents die? What are we going to do?
That was a very good question. From the heir to the throne of Obiagu Kingdom. Yes.
My sisters, is the danger so wide?
Not really. I think my beloved is here.
Of our land, the gods of our ancestors. I seek powers to protect these children. The mission is becoming so deadly. Yes.
My sister, you take this way while I take this way. I can now perceive their presence.
Yes, sister, you're right. Their presence is quite close.
I want to drink water. This water might be able.
Something wrong with you?
No, I'm thirsty.
Look, hey! Ruth! You can't drink that water. Ruth! Ruth! Ruth!
For war. I am war, I am not a beast. Though I used to be. Though the future still linger, though the pains linger on, I am your helper. I'm here to let you know one thing. Your siblings are not dead, but they will all die if you do not save them.
How do you mean? I said, how do you mean? Talk to me!
Listen. I am on the same mission with you. To find and save your lost parents. I am your helper. The same way they took them away is the same way they took me away from my poor blind old mother. I was miraculously rescued by fate. I need to let you know one thing. If you do not save them, they will all die. And if you want to save them, then you have to follow me. As for me, I am on a mission.
They are coming for them. Sisters, go and bring them.
There's no need to wait. If you wait, they're going to sacrifice your siblings. Is that what you want?
Eh? Yes. No. They cannot be sacrificed. Let's go. Let's go.
Greetings, Okachi, the great witch doctor of Obiago Kingdom.
What seek the men of Obiago in the heart of an outcast?
Okachi, Anya Boni Jiji, Aqua Chana Nikiri, Anachon Nunu Gopiono. We are seeking for a solution to the problem befalling our land. It seems the gods are angry with us, and they have unleashed their anger on all of us in Obiago. And to make matter worse, we are looking for our king, and our king is missing. And
the beast has taken over the throne of Obiago.
Piarako.
The gods are wise. Yes, the gods are wise. Elders of Obiago, I know you will come seeking for solution, but the solution has been taken care of. Go home. Obiago Kingdom will rejoice again. Yes, they will rejoice again. Go home.
What are we waiting for? We have heard what she has said. Let's be going. Okachi, the great witch doctor of Obiago Kingdom.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It's okay. I will explain later. I will explain.
Listen. There is no time for this. There is no time for this. You all have only one option, and that option to save your parents. Their lives are still lingering. Let's go now.
Yes, let's go. Let's go. I will explain. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go! Welcome, my beloved. We, your mothers, welcome you again.
No! Keep your peace, you witches! I do not belong here, and you are not my mothers.
Sisters, my beloved is here. And this time, he came with enough sacrifice for us.
You lie! You lie! We are not sacrificed for any of you. We came here to take our parents and our sister, whom we are holding with witchcraft.
You, in particular, will be used to appease the queen of the coast, the mother of all witches in the whole universe. You are our project. So, get ready to go forth.
Hold it! Hold it! Never. You will never have her. You can never have her, because I have come to put an end to your reign, your supremacy, your domain. I am a messenger of the gods, and I command you to free them. If not, I will command our ancestors to invoke the wrath of the gods upon you all.
Sister, what did he say? We are above their gods, and they will never do us anything.
Yes! Give up the fight! The gods are afraid of us, my love! No! Never! Never! I am a messenger of the gods! And there are no spirits greater than the spirit of our ancestors! The gods of our land! There is none! No power whatsoever! None! And let me let you know, I will never give up the fight! Free them! I will not put an end to this fight! I will fight! Release them! I'll fight!
No one can stop them. They have dominated this our kingdom. Even the gods. Sometimes, I think if the gods are dead, ever since we lost Okachi, the great witch doctor, things has become so horrible in this kingdom.
Mama, I wish I went on that mission with them. I would have put an end to all this nonsense.
This is not your fight. It's not your fight. Even the gods cannot stop them. You cannot fight them.
But mother, somebody has to do something about it. I think I have to do something about it.
It's only left for the gods. It's not your fault. And it must start today. It's not going to end today. It's only the gods.
Thank God I met you at home.
You're not hunting?
No.
Why?
I came to discuss something bigger than hunting.
And what is that?
See your phone. My mother told me a very horrible story about our land and the dangers that await our people by the hands of the witches.
Anyway, it's no longer a news anyway. Everybody knows about it in our village.
But it's my first time of hearing the story.
Now see why I call you a child.
I'm not a child.
Okay.
Anyway, I came to ask you for something.
Something. Oh, I'm up here.
I want us to join forces to fight the witches.
You say?
I said I came to ask you and I to join forces and fight the witches.
Okay. What's your...
What are you doing?
I see you have to mind.
No, I'm not out of my mind. I'm serious.
Listen, you guys sit down now. I'm on a serious business. Let me go and do what I know how to do.
Okay.
Deal.
Afo, please wait now. Afo, please. Please wait now. Ofo, wait, let me explain to you now, please. Ofo, please wait.
What happened?
It's the witches. The witches. They attacked us on our way to the stream and they took my friend Ifoma, the daughter of Mazi Odinaka.
So you mean Ifoma is gone?
She's gone. I'm going home.
Did you hear her? This is what I'm trying to explain to you. Please, Ofo, let's join forces and put a stop to all this, please.
Yeah, okay, let me now advise you. Better run back home. You heard that very well. They attacked them and took their friend away. I'm going home.
Let's join forces and put a stop to all this. Why are you behaving like that? You're not a man, Ofo.
You don't know the way to your house again.
What's all this, eh? What's all this that no one can put a stop to it?
Oh, my
Ofo. Mama, is it this one?
No, the other one.
This?
Yes. Cut from here. This is called Egu. Egu. It's for malaria. Chronic one. Not ordinary malaria. Did they eat it? No, you have to cut it. Cut the leaves. Cut the stem, put it inside water. After 2 days, the person takes the medicine.
And then let me go and get it.
No, leave it for next time. When you reach to the bush like this, don't eat. For finishing the whole medicine, you see.
Looking happy for some days now. What is the problem?
It's not what you can handle. So let me be.
But don't just tell me that it's our inherited problem that has been disturbing you.
Ncheta, is it not enough to disturb me? Maybe by the time we all get killed by the witches, then solutions will be found. But before that happens, I, Osioma, will definitely do something.
And I will never allow you to risk your life. Never.
Welcome. Never go.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Thank you, Nai.
I hope all is well.
All is well, Nai. We only came to sympathize with you over the abduction of your daughter by those wicked witches.
Ifoma, my daughter, go in peace. She was all I had left after I lost her mother to the same witches.
Sorry, Nai. We understand how you feel.
But I'm afraid that one day these witches will end up killing all of us in this village.
You are right, my daughter. If something is not done fast, one day we'll all be eaten by the witches.
But Nai, is there nothing anyone could do to put a stop to this?
It's a spiritual war. They fight for the gods. It's not for humans.
But Nai, I really wish I could do something. Please, what can I do?
Uzoma, you don't want to listen to your mother. You know it's very wrong to go against your mother's wish.
The wishes can only be destroyed by the sword of Amakeku.
The sword of Amakeku?
Yes.
The great masquerade. Please, where can I find this sword?
In far grave of Amakeku. Great masquerade.
Yes. Grave of Amakeku.
That is an impossible mission.
Nai, please. How do I get to Amakeku's grave?
Uzoma, are you okay?
Nai, please. Give me directions to this grave, please.
No.
That reminds me. Agungwa, you won't believe this. Uzoma came to my house the other day. Guess what she told me?
Come on.
Uzoma told me to join force with her to fight the traitors.
She tonto for her. Mama.
That was something I told her. She's out of her mind.
No. This is mama. The nurse. How can she such a thing?
Ever since that day they claimed she killed baby. Now we didn't even see. She claimed to be a hero.
She's just lucky that I was not the person she told her. She used to talk nonsense. Just a mama. Imagine. Small baby that was just lying dead.
That's died though.
She no. Small baby. We know how. No. She must be Jojo. Jockey.
Off peace, Toya.
Thank God, you are not like others. Come on.
taking a right decision. Amakeku grave is a deadly grave. He was said to be a bloody masquerade formed by our forefathers, and he made them great. And that is the secret of whom we are today. This is a big task. A really big one.
Mother, you're back. Yes, I'm back. I observed you for so long. Sitting so quiet. Anything the matter?
No, mother. I was only remembering the story you told me about our land.
Ozioma, my daughter, I know who you are and what you can do, Ozioma. I advise you not to take a decision that is beyond you.
We need to bewitch some young girls into our realm. I mean, we need to feel our kingdom.
Yes, your plans are okay. Very soon, we will live to the cloud to become the supreme of supreme. And the young members will become our humble servants.
Now go and bring the sweet young girls that will succeed us. Go!
By the witches? No, that can't be true. Ozama, I'm very sure of what I'm saying.
Are you leaving?
When day comes, we'll continue with the journey. Don't worry. The gods will guide us.
I'm already afraid to want to go.
Come on. You don't have to be afraid. It's okay. It's okay. have to continue our journey now. To Amakepu's grave, to get the sword of the witches. We have to destroy them once and for all. They have tormented us enough.
Seriously, I am not going anywhere with you. I am returning back home.
Really?
Yes.
Then you have to go home by yourself. I'm out of here.
What are you doing? Are you leaving?
You are welcome to my world. The world of glory. The world of treasure and blood. You are now welcome into the witchcraft kingdom. You all have passed our initiation process. So you may now pay your homage.
Nobody to talk to me. You did not even tell me where you are going. Ozioma came. Where's the Obiago? Where can I find you now? Where's the Obiago? Where's the Obiago? Ozioma. Ozioma came. Ozioma where's the Obiago? Ozioma Come and take me home. I don't want to go again.
Ncheta, this forest is very dangerous and it's filled with wild beasts and deadly animals. But you can only get hurt or killed if you attack them. Do you get that? You see what I was doing here?
It's when I go to my house and it's when I go to my house and I don't want to go again. I'm not going again. Please take me home.
Chita, there is no going back now. We are already in the middle of this journey. There is no going back now. We are already in the middle of this mission and there is no turning back.
Please forgive me. Please, if I've done anything wrong to you, please forgive me. Just take me home. I promise I'll not let anybody know. I promise.
Even your mother will not let her now. Please just take me back home.
Danger in her mission. Yes, sisters. Me too. She will never make it. So she needs to be determined. Yes.
Nonsense. This is high time. I have to prove to the villagers and Osioma, who thought she's a hero. Rubbish. Just because she killed the dying monster, a pigeon. Don't worry. You'll hear my story.
Oye, pan. Para normal.
Oh. Yo con guay.
Dem Neleba. I know where I tell them down. Oh, not to Legu.
Ibu Madu, come more.
Abu Madu, I am big cuckoo. And when never went now.
Don't mind him.
Say your name is Ikuku. Ikuku means wind and not a name.
I'm Jackam Boma.
Okay, that's nice.
Because Gahagi.
Ahambu, Ozioma. Okay, or you want to do it.
Because Gayu Nacha.
Don't mind him. Ikuku. We are on a mission to Amakeku's grave to obtain the sword of the witches. He's hungry.
Bad day today. Like all the animals is going on strike. Well, Mabanaka. Is it me? Like the witches are doing trade trade today.
Come out, let me prove to you that I'm a hero too.
Nonsense.
You know me. I'm a body here. I've killed many animals, several ones. Name it, you're uncountable. Go and ask of you. Have a very good record. That's your point. Come on!
I think we'll have to rest here for now. God.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. Can you hear that? This tune I'm hearing is getting closer by itself.
Oh, yeah, we've been.
People egwu na anyị biko.
Agwa adum egwu mmadụ. Achọrọ m inyeru n'aka.
We don't need your help, please. Just leave us alone.
Na burugo oyimu.
Okay. Stay there. Stay. Don't come any further. What is it now, eh? What is it? Wow, very interesting. Who taught you how to play the instrument like that? Well, I like what you just played. No. You've not accepted your friendship with this kind of thing. Nikita, he has apologized. But that's not it. He has to promise us not to scare us again.
Odo. Mmenya nnegwu ọzọ ka chi mgbuo m.
Are you satisfied now? We have to keep these promises. Look at her. Lily bad njita. Sounds like a monster.
Amanda said that.
Please. I think we have to take another path. The monster might be anywhere close. No. Let's go. If we don't leave now, the monster might harm us. Please. Oh. I want to leave. para lo to ben para. Ejikwe mo ho. Ejikwe mo ho.
Come to think of it, is that thing really a beast? I don't think. That thing is beyond beast. I am for tomorrow. For the leader, thank God for your life. Now the jail.
Shut up, you traitor! How dare you? How dare you! Please don't destroy me. I did nothing. Now listen, you fool. You have just one night to stop your daughter from her mission. Or you grab my rot! Please, remember. One night! One night!
Thank you, Spirit of the Great Amakeku. Show yourself. Come forth and help your people, please.
I
am Ozioma, the daughter of Ezewine. We seek you from Obiagu Kingdom, where the witches have turned us into slaves.
And what do you seek me for?
Great Master, you are the only one who has the power to kill the witches and liberate our people.
No, young lady, the tonto. Never embark on a journey like this anymore.
No, Amakeku, please, we have come too far to return empty-handed. Please help us. If we go back to Obiagu like this, the witches will kill us all, please. Please help us.
No, the land of Obiagu are cowards. Where are the men of Obiagu? Or has cowardice made them swallow their pride for a woman to see me? No!
Amakeku, please don't go. Amakeku, please don't go. Please help us. Please help us. If we could do something. Amakeku, please. Amakeku, please don't go. Don't go, please. Please someone help us. Please don't go. Amakeku, please. If we could do something for your fleet, don't do something. Amakeku, please. Please don't go. Please help us and get your people. Please. Amakeku, please. I can't go back.
What happened to your hand?
No problem. I'm fine. Please, can you take me to Ichi Odinaka's house? Okay. Please lead me there.
Okay, go.
Thank you.
We are still here.
Indeed, both step is encouraging. Take this call. Make sure you are guided by the instructions. The book. Bring me the glory.
Thank you, great Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me go
in. Go man. Go well.
This boy is very good.
Go man.
You know where he met me?
You said all this.
This is what they did to me, and also mandated me to stop my daughter on the mission. In 24 hours, I paid the price. Mumu gogbo gane vuku share. Mumu gogbo ezemai mo gane vuku share.
For how long shall we continue in this cycle? Biarako.
You are forbidden to take this path. Yes! Return to where you're coming from, or you will be destroyed.
You lie. I say you lie. I have come to send you all back to where you belong. This is my fatherland, and no evil shall dwell therein. Ikuku, music.
Why are you running and screaming? Is there anything the matter? What is happening? Is there any wrestling match going on? Or is our prince back?
No. Mama. He's baba with the sword of mama.
Be careful. Don't
say a word together.
But can is true.
What is she doing with the sword of Mama?
She's on her way to the palace to kill all the witches in this land.
Why then are you screaming and running back to your house?
Ready for your blind argument. I'm going to inform. I bring you good news from your daughter. Mama.
Where is she? Is she okay?
She's all right, and she's about to bring the peace and justice to our land with the sword of
Shut up, Wataklia, make sure. Don't you speak words that are bigger than you. Who told you this?
Come on, body told me. I saw with Nchita. Go into the palace. Mama. You singing victorious song with her.
That's good. Please lead me to the palace.
No. You should go in. Let me go and
the Naija. It will be good like that.
Go.
My own Ozoma is still alive. Oh.
Agoma, you are welcome.
No. I saw
Confess the man.
Yes, she is with witches.
You and this your stammering. You saw Uzioma, the daughter of Ezeman. With the sword of the witches. No. You will not kill me. Okay.
I'm sure you all know how deadly those witches are. I would not want to lose any of it. So please, just stay here and pray for our victory, okay? One person may not make it out. I understand. Those switches are very, very dangerous. Please, I don't want to leave you, okay? You know I love you very much. Listen, give this
Dikeh, it's like everybody has come.
Please, we will meet up.
No, baby. Fast.
I know. I said, don't worry, we will meet up.
No, I don't want
Don't worry, we are going to meet up. Let's go.
Fast.
The powers from the rims of Osheki, the powers from the rims of Ilobo, and the powers from the rims of Omamari. The triangle region of Africa and Igbo land are mad of nothing. You loser! How dare you destroy her? You rats! How dare you interrupt my ugly omen? Your evil and ungodly omen has caught up with you today. The sleep that you took from my people shall return to us. Because I, Ozioma, have come to destroy you all. Liar! You lied. Sisters, let us destroy her first! No! You don't waste your powers on her. Let her aides handle her. Finish her! Stay back! Sisters, I think she has extraordinary powers. Yes, you are right, sister. Legitimate, Democrat. Master, not destroy us. Rather send us to the rivers. Or send us far away where we will not return anymore. Yes, Master, we will serve you and we will be loyal to you. My people shall be free from you all today. The dews from the Togo mountain, the rages of the storm, the grand graduators, the powers of the 7 mountains and valleys. Legitimate. up. Yes, you have done a great work. I'm here. See, the witches are gone. I'm here. You have done it. And I'm proud of you.
Thanks to the gods. Hi, I'm Akeko. Ikuku here. And Nchita.
Yeah? Hi, I love you, my daughter. I love you too. And I'm proud of you. Hi, who is this person here? Hi, Ozioma. You restored the peace to this kingdom. Thank God. Thank to the gods of the land. Hi. Wake him. Let's go. This is how the gods used to restore the peace. Hey.
So it is Ezewan.
Chief Odinaka, the peace is restored.
Hey!
Where's your father now?
Oh,